Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this beautiful bob haircut transformation. The stylist added some gorgeous texture through the use of layers throughout this haircut. Beautiful side swept bangs, gorgeous texture, and quite a unique bob hairstyle. So then we move on to transformation number 2. Looks like the stylist gave her a mid-length haircut complete with some hair color. Oh, absolutely gorgeous hair shade. And the stylist did cut the hair a little bit shorter to more of like a bob. Beautiful transformation. So look number 3 is also going to feature a haircut and hair color transformation. Gorgeous ombre ash blonde colored hair, and she also was able to get a beautiful lob haircut. Moving on to the next hairstyle, looks like she's going to be getting a classic bob. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful bob haircut. This one comes just to around neck length and features beautiful side swept bangs. Here we have another gorgeous bob. Beautiful angled bangs in the front. And this is more of that trendy inverted bob style. Then we move on to the next hair transformation. This one is going to feature some bangs and some beautiful layers. She looks absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.